So Nikki always telling me to record what I'm doing. I forgot again. Right now I'm installing this dash cam that Bito got me. My mommy got me this. She got it for Christmas, but it got sent back, and so she just sent it to me. And now I'm installing it. So yeah, so I already ran it from right here. I ran it under. Still gotta finish. Well, I kind of tucked it. But I ran it down there, ran it up here, and now I'm about to run it up here for when I'm about to install the camera. So it's looking pretty good. I'm about to make a time lapse. All right, it's installed. I'm a little worried because it's hot as crap here in California, and this camera is sitting right here. I feel like I need to put some sort of additional thing to protect and make sure that this stuff doesn't get overheated. Dang, all up on the camera. But if I say so myself, I think I did a pretty good job of running these wires. You can't even tell. Look at that camera set up in the back discreetly. Can't even tell that I ran these cables. Look at that. I mean, that was like that before. You see it's protruding. I didn't just do that. Got a little bit of cables up here, but hey, that's all right. Yeah, did a good job. I'm excited for that. So now I'm about to format the memory card. Then I'm about to fire this junk up and see how it works. So let's go. And we're done. Dang, all up in my face. I could already tell. I'm not even looking at the camera. Look. Back up, bro. Bro. Dang. Crazy. I guess I could edit this. But finished. Check it out. We in there, baby. Look. Ta-da! Front and rear camera engaged. Ha ha ha. Victory.